FluentPro Backup is a cloud-based platform that protects data in project management systems. In just a few simple steps, you can create a schedule for the backup for your project for the web projects to run automatically. When you sign up for FluentPro Backup, an onboarding wizard will open. You can add your first Microsoft project for the web environment and schedule a backup for it immediately. Click the Add Environment button. FluentPro Backup supports multiple environments for the backup. Select Project for the Web from the list. Enter the URL for your project for the web environment and establish a connection to Project for the Web. Click Continue. Select the Backup Content option. You can choose all the projects from your project for the web or only the particular ones. Microsoft 365 groups for selected projects. All resources are pre-selected to ensure successful project backup and restoration. Click Next. Now you can define the schedule for the backup for both modified and unmodified projects. Click Save. Your first backup is now scheduled to run. You can monitor the backup process details and the progress on the summary page. Alternatively, open the Operation Details page to track progress and review its status. Within just a few minutes, all your critical project data will be fully protected, and you can restore your data when needed. For more information about FluentPro Backup, please visit our site or contact our sales team.